Hello everyone. Today I am working on this Facit TP1, and the issue I'm having with it is that the shift lockout doesn't work. If I push up on the key here, I get in the lockout position where the basket won't shift, and if I shift, I overcome the lock, but it remains unlocked. And it's because the mechanism for shift lock is straightening that linkage there. As I lock it, the linkage goes straight there, and now the linkage can't fold. But when there is a downward force on the linkage, it folds and allows this gap to close. This gap is there's that shift shaft, and there's my adjustment points for foot in motion. But I need to change the angle that this bracket down there, I need to change the angle and clock it more, so that gives more room for the linkage to fall in the straight position, because right now it's limited by this stop there, but the alignment is perfect. So I think at some point there was a torque on this shaft which knocked it out of alignment, and I am going to attempt to repair that by loosening, heating that solder joint with oxyacetylene. So stay tuned. Alright, so I got it chucked up in the vise, and now I am going to try and get at that linkage right there. So I will heat that. Let me grab my foot. And I have it in the locked position now, so it has tension where it's supposed to be. And I think we'll give this a go. Kind of nervous, to be honest. don't think it works. So, first heating, I had a little bit of success. I did get an improvement in the lockout feel. It feels like it's just about to, fall into the lockout position. So what I'm doing now is I'm shimming the stop with a couple of soda can cutouts, and I put it in the locked position, which I have more tension on here now, so that will, when this melts, it will be able to kind of force itself in that new position. So, got a different camera angle now. I'll give it a go. This angle's more better. Not sure if you guys can see. I'll try dabbing some glue or some flux. Probably not going to do much anyway. And here we go. This isn't the right torch for the job. It's too small, but I think we'll make it work. There we go, it's melting. Ow. Guys, I think I just fucking fixed it. Let me cool this down more. Okay. Oh, she's still hot. Fucking guys. Oh. Fucking Thanks, Oxy. Jeez. Now I can really dial this machine in.